Well, yesterday we reported on the big picture. 7 lives lost, thousands of hectares of land destroyed, unaccounted loss to flora and fauna and even animals. But today we went in to the hinterlands, to one of the worst affected villages in the region to understand what it means for small farmers who've lost everything to the fire. Their cattle, their homes, even their livelihood now completely charred. Take a look at the life of Shankar and thousands like him. As the Air Force begins sorties across Uttarakhand trying to douse the fire, it's little help for Shankar, who has lost his cattle, crop and even his home in the fire.
जब बाहर निकला तो ऊपर की साइड से धुआं बहुत आ रहा था।
इस साइड से
ऊपर की साइड से धुआं बहुत आ रहा था।
तो आपका घर इधर है, इस तरफ, और आग ऊपर से आ रही थी।
ऊपर से आ रही थी, बहुत भयानक आग लगी थी।
He now takes us to his village Tircha Khet in Bawali district to show us what's left of one of the worst hit villages in the region.
आग के बीच में फंस गया, तो आग के बीच में फंसा तो बचाने की कोशिश हमने की, मगर हमारे जो मैनेजर साहब हैं वो ले गए थे, वो रस्सा भी ले गए थे, खींच रहे थे, तो बीच में दीवार थी काफी ऊंची, तो ऊपर नहीं चढ़ पाया, तो आग की तरफ भागा वो।
Forest fire is not new to the people of Uttarakhand, but this year the fire fury showed no mercy. It started early and destroyed everything in its way. Shankar and his family were inside the house when the fire started. At that time, they managed to escape, taking some kids and cattle along, but this entire wall here got engulfed in fire. For now, he's managed to put his house in order, doing this temporary arrangement, but again, this is wood. And with fire still active in major zones across the region, they wonder if the next time they won't be so lucky, and this might not be enough to keep him, his family and his animals safe. And it's not just Shankar. His neighbor's kitchen caught fire along with all the cattle fodder. ये तो आपने सूखा पत्ती डाला हुआ है इसको खाने के लिए।
हाँ, क्या खाते थे? घास नहीं है, घास नहीं खा लिया, सूखा डाल रखा है, ऐसा इसको भी ऐसा भी नहीं मिल रहा है इनको। जंगल में घास नहीं है, सब आग लग गई,
सब जल गया,
सब जल गया।
Over 10 days and counting, and the forest fires in Uttarakhand are alive in pockets like these across the area. They refuse to douse despite the best efforts of the authority. They've destroyed homes, taken away livelihoods and taken away lives, remember, of man and animals alike. Locals now hoping and praying for mercy from the wind gods and the water gods to ensure that this can be doused in the most natural process possible, and there can be some rain in one of the driest seasons the area has seen in a really long time. With camera person Ashwini, I'm Sonal Mehrotra for NDTV.